In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get EPP code in GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your GoDaddy account. Then you need to click your profile name on the top right and go to your products page. You need to scroll a little bit down and go to domain section where you need to find your domain name. Then you need to click DNS across to your domain. Then go to domain settings. So here is my personal information and I will blur it. You need to scroll all the way down on the bottom of this page, and there you can see transfer to another register. This text, you need to click it, but in this case my domain is new, so I can't transfer it. But once you will click transfer to another register button right here, you will get the EPP code or an authorization key, and you can use it to transfer your domain name, guys. But as you can see, my domain is new, so I can't transfer it within 60 days. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.